Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I included this product links in the description to find the most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Cooler Master Keys Pro L. Cooler Master is one of the reputable keyboard producers on the market. The Master Keys Pro L is a highly rated keyboard and has what it takes to make any programmer, coder, or avid gamer happy. A look at the Master Keys Pro L would make it think that it doesn't have the bells and whistles to be a high-end keyboard. But that's clear evidence that looks can be deceiving. This keyboard's LED light is extra large, a reason it's brighter, beautiful, and appears smoother. The Cherry MX Blue switches are another terrific addition to this keyboard. Though the switches on this keyboard are a bit loud, they are still highly recommended for typing. Finger comfort isn't the most desirable, owing to the absence of wrist rest. But that isn't a deal breaker for people who aren't deterred by the lack of such a feature. I have included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and share with your friends. Until next time, hope you all have a great day.